short and sweet. Raindrops are drops and not streaks, but streaks look more realistic in a simulation. I bring Maya into the FX mode and create two polygon planes. The top one will be the sky and emit the rain, the bottom one will catch it. With the sky plane selected, I choose the option box of Emit from Object. Instead of omnidirectional, I choose the emission from the surface. The tiny dots fall down. Now I select the second plane and define it as a passive collider. That's not in the nParticles menu, it's in the nCloth menu. Doesn't really matter. Since the rainy dots seem to stick to the bottom surface, I increase the bounciness from 0 to, say, 0.8. You find the bounce under the collision section of the first N-rigid shape, as it's called. Under the nParticles menu, I now open the Particle Collision Event Editor. It determines what might happen when the particles hit the ground. Let's make each particle split in two and create that event. Now every bounce creates two more particles. You can turn the points into spheres and render this in Arnold with motion blur so the rain looks like streaks. We'll stick to a typical appearance of the outdated Maya renderer in order to see not raindrops but streaks of rain without motion blur. I select the first particle and open the shading section. There I choose streaks as the particle render type. I do the same with the child particle, streak as the render type, and I'm done. Short and sweet.